Ayan, dalawa na kami. Two vehicles. Our tent or locking tent is also finished. Wow! Vegetable. Birds of Paradise. It's raining here at Babaw Davao. There's our campfire for tonight.
What's cooking?
Breakfast, mommy. Breakfast. Lunch with meat and